Everybody. So yeah, so last week we worked on this and we got a service that basically creates an instance of this speech recognition and then provides a record method. And so now the idea is we need to put a button in, just so we can make use of it. So if you go to the into the to Angular material, they've really changed the way their buttons work. Like if we go with this overview, they used to have like all these different colors and stuff like that, and like hot, medium, or like I don't know, different like cool colors and stuff. And now they've kind of gone with just like one set of colors. I don't really know what that's all about, but that's how it is. And you know, I'm sure it's for the best. So, anyways, I probably want to use one of these, like probably like I don't know, a flat button. So I'm gonna try to find a flat button in their code. I kind of wish they just didn't have everything kind of thrown together like this, but this is how they have it. So mat flat basic button, uh, button mat flat basic. So I'm just going to add that in my code right here and just see what breaks. Nothing. It didn't work. It's kind of weird that it didn't. It used to give like errors. The reason it didn't work is because the button. I don't think I've imported the button into the app component TypeScript. Um, I must have imported. What am I looking at here? Oh, okay. So, okay. So in the app indicator, I did pull in some, yeah, the mat icon and the mat card module. So I need to pull in the, what you do is you look at the TypeScript and the mat button module. And then obviously, I think what's going to end up happening is this is going to end up in its own component for the moment, but uh, for now, I'm going to pull it in here. Oh, see what happens if I do this. If it mat button module. So it gave me the blue indicator, so that means it. No, that is not what I want. Usually, the blue indicator means that they'll import. They know how to import it for you. Uh, so um, let's just do this. Control V, doom, and now everybody's happy. And let's see what we get over here. Man, this thing is being really slow. Okay, so yeah, now we have our basic button. Um, so what should we call it? We should call it record or something like that. Um, this is, of course, just kind of code just to kind of get us rolling. Record, and then that should call probably a function. So we're going to attach the click event, and we're going to call a function called record, and we aren't going to pass it anything. And again, this is code that is pretty short, not long for this earth. Record void doesn't return anything, and let's just make sure that it is wired up. Wired up, and then boom, wired up. And now we're gonna say, did we import our service? I don't think we did. Um, so there is in Angular Core, there's an input function. And is that what we want? No, we don't want input. We want import. Import? No. Use? How do we use services? Mm, Angular use services. WT. It's so funny that you just forget things. How do I use a service in Angular? And since it's narrow, I have to hit the button. Wait, just like it's like I have no idea what you're asking me, so I'm just going to tell you all kinds of stuff. So yeah, that's the old way of doing it, and that's a good way to do it. Um, but I don't want to do it that way. I don't like it. I like uh, uh, without using the constructor. So when the browser is wide, you can just hit enter. But okay, that is true. Let me see. Is my service a for root? Yeah. So it's providing the root. Uh, Injectable provider. My service. Hello. Usual on init injector. Oh, okay, that's weird. Man, that is not. Uh, is it inject? In Angular 18. See if it'll give me this. Man, it's just being a real pain in the butt. Let's see. Injectable. Oh, okay. Then injector. I don't want to do that. Could have sworn there was like an injector. Let's see. Mission. So I do like this. Let's see. So, okay. So what's the name of this service? Speech service. I think it is called speech service. Okay, so we don't want that comma up there. And then so my job we use Angular 10. So so it's kind of not quite as quick with the latest stuff. Oh, okay, yeah, that was no wonder I can't remember it because you don't have to do anything. Um, that's funny. Okay, so I thought there was like a special function you had to call or whatever. This dot speech service dot record, and then hello. Yep. So there we go. So this, I was hoping to get a little bit more done, but we're already 9 minutes in, so that's probably far enough for today. Tomorrow, I think what I'll do is I will, let's go into our speech service. Do I do a voice result? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'll basically listen for this voice result and then like kind of print out the result right there. Hopefully that doesn't take too long, as long as I don't get caught up in some weird like, what's the special function that doesn't exist that I need to call in order to be able to use my service event. That should go pretty quick. Anyways, happy coding, everybody. Bye.